Ayan nga, for the side of the NCF Tigers, mas pagbubutihin pa nila dito yung defense at offensive line. Of course, focus pa rin dahil nga kahit sila pa rin ang defending champion, kailangan pa rin nilang paghandaan yung mga makakalaban nila dito dahil nga bagong teams, bagong season, and of course, lahat ng teams dito naghanda at nag-prepare for this season of Bucal.
Ayan, team talagang very unpredictable ang season natin ngayon kasi maraming bagong recruit na players dito sa ating liga. At para makingi naman tayo sa side ng Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Ali. Hi, Ali. Anong update dyan?
Hi, Rick, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. It's so nice to be with you both again as we welcome the most prestigious volleyball league here in Bucal. Here once again is Ali reporting on the side of the ADNU Lady Knights. For today's second game, the Lady Knights are eager to win their game with the defending champion, the NCF Lady Tigers. According to their captain, Myla Olaso, they are determined to showcase their months of mental and physical preparation and set the standards high this season. So let us witness the Lady Knights with a resounding one big fight. Only here in Bucal Season 5 on Media T48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. And credit natin sa side ng ating ADNU Lady Knights dahil nga medyo nagkulang sila last season. Mas gagalingan nila. Of course, headed by Coach Rivera of the ADNU Lady Knights. At kung mapapansin mo dito sa ating mga players for both teams, on the side of the ADNU Lady Knights, I think isa lang yung naaalala ko dito dating player ng ating ADNU Lady Knights, which is jersey number 19. Kaya Fortaleza. Kaya mga bagong mukha, titignan natin kung ano ba yung i-contribute nila dito sa side ng ADNU Lady Knights to get a win this afternoon.
Yes, syempre very challenging on the part of the ADNU Golden Knights kasi ang makakaharap nila is the defending champion nga. Pero with the help of these new players, let's see kung ano ba ang gagawin ngayong bagong play ng ating ADNU Golden Knights. And aabangan natin yan dito sa ating game ng Bucal. So ayan, nakikita natin sa ating screen na nagkakaroon na nga ng warm-up dito ang ating ADNU Golden Knights.
Ayan, Rick, in just a few seconds or minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakang ADNU Lady Knights versus the NCF Tigers. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating venue, NCF Covered Court. At magsisimula na nga ang unang set para dito sa bakbakang Tigers and Golden Knights.
Now, as you can see, players from the side of the NCF Tigers. Ito din yung nakita natin last season. We have Brago, Sari, Miranda, Bogpita, Flores, as well as jersey number 23. Now that's a first point for the NCF Tigers.
So the first point will go on the side of the Tigers. Napakagandang serve para doon kay Hizky Flores. Now again, Flores on the deck to serve. Another great serve para dito kay Hizky.
Now the ADNU Lady Knights, medyo nagsisimula pa lang ang ating laban kung kaya't lalo para sila dito, pero they need to double their efforts and their offense. Now that's a 3 straight points coming from the NCF Lady Tigers. Medyo nakukulangan sa communication sa side ng ating Lady Knights.
Pangatlong service ace na sunod-sunod galing dito kay Flores, and on that last sequence nakita natin na target niya doon ang libero pero hindi pa rin nakuha ng maganda ang bola at dagdagan mo pa yan din ang isa. Amazing! 4 service aces para dito kay Flores.
4-0 na big run.
So the point is galing sa libero ng NCF Tigers. Talagang ang Tigers, pinapakitang sila ang defending champion. On the side naman ng ating Golden Knights, kailangan nila dito ng magandang floor defense para magkaroon ng magandang play. So free ball again on the side of the Golden Knights. Great block. One more time for this Lady Tigers. Brago. Volleyball continues. Nabasa doon ni Brago ang hulog. Sari on the opposite side. Hitting the ball and getting a point para dito sa ating Lady Tigers.
Yeah, for the last sequence doon, medyo maganda yung pinakita dito ng ating Lady Tigers or Lady Knights. Kaya tinanong natin kung magiging consistent mo sila dahil kailangan lang nila ng communication as well as defense inside the court. Now Flores for her 7th serve.
Now Flores setting up Brago, and Brago gets a point coming from that cross-court hit.
Napatawag nga agad ng timeout dito si Coach Rivera ng ating Neo Lady Knights. 7-0 nothing run. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo pero the Lady Knight or the Lady Tigers talagang nagko-contribute lahat ng ating mga players. Most especially dito kay Brago na baguhan lang dito sa ating Bucal Season 5, but she still stay. Nagbibigay siya ng napakagandang mga atake dito on the side of the Lady Tigers. But on the side of the Lady Knights, medyo nakukulangan pa rin sila dito ng communication as well as the defense na medyo kailangan na nilang gawin ngayon pa lang dahil nga nakakapitong puntos na po ang ating Lady Tigers.
Tama ka dyan, Tin. Kailangan dito ng floor defense at net defense ng ating Golden Knights kasi nakita naman natin on that previous points na galing dito sa NCF, galing sa utility spiker and open spiker, galing ang puntos na yon. So they need a great defense on this game. Another free ball ang ibibigay dito. Sari in the middle! And Sari was blocked. Triple block para dito kay Sari.
Now, that's the first point for the Lady Knights. At kung mapapansin mo kanina, Rick, na-block din ng ating Lady Knights, hindi lang nakapasok. But this time, they successfully blocked one of the most powerful spike dito sa ating Bucal Season 5 ba na si Sari.
Straight to the net attack coming from Brago. So 2 2 straight points para dito sa ating Golden Knights. So parang narinig tayo ng Golden Knights na kailangan nila ditong mag-double effort if they want to cut the lead dito sa ating first set.
And of course, an error was scored at the side of the Lady Knights. Sayang yung kanilang momentum doon sa 2 straight points nila. Now, the Lady Tigers is back. Now, Miranda. 8 serving 2 here.
Miscommunication on the side of the ADNU Lady Knights. So again, unforced error din ang kailangan ditong bantayan ng ating Lady Knights. Kasi talagang lumalayo na dito ang ating defending champion na NCF Lady Tigers. Ball is still alive. Flores setting up Sari at Sari makakabawi ng spike on that last play.
Sari is one of the most powerful spiker here at Bucal Season 5. Kung mapapansin niyo po, last season po andyan ako si Sari at talagang nagpapakita siya ng napakagandang performance. And she is the key players of the NCF Lady Tigers now.
Oh. Bola ngayon dito ng Lady Tigers. Nice dig coming from the Lady Knights. Free ball ang ibibigay dito para sa Tigers. Flores setting up Abitria. Another great dig para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. The point is awarded to the Lady Knights because someone's touched the net para dito sa ating Lady Tigers. So nakikita rin natin ang height difference ng dalawang koponan na ito na talaga namang ang tataas dito on the side of the Lady Tigers. That's why nahihirapan din magkaroon ng magandang offense dito at defense ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
At kung ikukumpara mo yung naging performance dito ng ating Ateneo Lady Knights last year, mas maganda yung ngayon yung ipinapakita nilang depensa. And they just need to be consistent with that. And of course, mas lalong pang atake ang gagawin nila. 11 serving 3. Sari to serve.
Now as we can see on the side of the Lady Knights, binago nga dito ang posisyon ni Fortaleza because on the previous season of Bucal, isa siyang wing spiker. Pero ngayon, linagay siya sa setter position. So bagong technique para sa coach ng ating Golden Knights and let's see kung effective ba ito dito sa ating laro.
Now, medyo malaki na yung kalamangan dito ng ating NCF Tigers. But still, the Ateneo Lady Knights is contributing here. Let's see how far will it go. Service leads coming from Vanessa Sari. She's now again on the serving line here. 13 serving 3. 10-point lead here.
Again, Sari on the serving line. The ball is still alive. Flores setting up Brago. Nice reaction coming from the Golden Knights side.
That's it. Another point for our NCF Lady Tigers. Napakaganda yung kanila ditong mga atake. Lahat ng players with Brago and Bombita. Connection between the players of the NCF Tigers. Sari again to serve.
Now Brago again will try. And Brago delivers. Again, grabe talaga ang taas ng attacking efficiency ng ating Lady Tigers. That's why nahihirapan dito ang ating Golden Knights makabawi.
Now we're halfway for our first set. Okay, maging adjustment dito ng ating Ateneo Lady Knights to get the point here. Now, Vanessa Sari again. But this time, medyo gigil na doon. So that would be an automatic point for the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. Now, this is their opportunity para magpatuloy ang kanilang puntos. Now, jersey number 12 on their side. Santos. Serve.
Nice reaction coming from the Golden Knights. Flores. Combination play ulit para dito kay Bombita, pero ando ng players ng Golden Knights. Free ball para dito sa ating Lady Tigers. Brago. Nice dig coming from jersey number 11. And a miss hit coming from jersey number 6, pero napaganda pa nga on the side of the Golden Knights. Olaso on that attack.
Now, back-to-back point coming from the Ateneo Lady Knights. Now, let's see if magbabago ba dito ang kanilang gameplay. But this time, an error is committed on their side. So, an automatic point for the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. 16 serving 5. Now, Brago, new player for the side of the NCF Tigers to serve.
Fortaleza sa ating Apolaso, pero free ball dito ang ibibigay ng Lady Knights. And a running attack coming from Blessy Abitria. Again, the variation of sets dito para kay Hizky Flores. That's why on that last season of Bucal, isa siya sa mga pinagpilian ng maging best setter.
Now, Brago.
Bombita will give a free ball. And jersey number 9. Regilio, makakukuha ng puntos naman from that last sequence.
Now, the Ateneo Lady Knights just need to be consistent. Mas pag-igtingin pa nila dito yung depensa nila as well as the offense. Now, jersey number 3. Outside. Meron pa rin dito para sa side ng Ateneo Lady Knights with their serving. Papasok na yun sa side nila si Masaluna on the side of the Lady Tigers. Now, Abitria. Jersey number 16 to serve.
Another heavy serve. That's why free ball lang ibibigay dito ng Lady Knights. Flores to Bombita, and Bombita flies and get a score.
On the NCF Lady Tigers talaga, lahat ng players when it comes to attack, napakalakas ng ibinibigay nila dito sa kanilang mga kalaban. Kung kaya minsan hindi na din talaga nakukuha dito ang ating Ateneo Lady Knights. Now, Abitria again to serve. And that's an ace coming from her. Napatawag na nga ng timeout na si Coach Bucal. 20 serving 6. 5 na lamang tibay dito ng NCF Lady Tigers to get the set number 1 at napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. But for this side of the Ateneo Lady Knights, minsan maganda, minsan hindi. But they just need to be consistent and also focus more on their floor defense.
Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok sa Oragon Sports TV page and Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout dito kay Dane Del Rosario, Erica Abias Agpoon, Maria Cecilia, John Rick Arellante II, and Leslie. Happy viewing po.
Yes, of course, pasalamatan lang din natin itong ating mga live viewers dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court na sumusuporta sa lahat ng mga players natin dito sa Ateneo Lady Knights as well as the NCF Tigers. Now, Abitria again to serve. Now, Hizky to to Bumbita. Soft touch. That's the point. One service. Tigers are very confident right now.
Bitria on the deck to serve. 4 points away and getting the set number 1 para dito sa Lady Tigers. Olaso will try. And it touches the line, so the point will automatically go to the side of the Lady Knights. So yun ang kailangan dito ng ating Golden Knights. Yung strong attacks and stable floor and net defense para makahabol nga dito sa ating NCF at kahit paano magka-build ng momentum papunta sa ating second set.
Wow, that's an ace coming from Bucal. Bucal Lady Knights. So an automatic point for their side. Now again, she will be serving the ball for the Lady Knights here.
So the new player for the Lady Knights. Mahanap na doon ang butas. Butas sa side ng ating Lady Knights. That's why the drop ball was effective for her.
No. Bumbita to serve here. Only 3 points away for set number 1.
Flores setting up Sari. And Sari the cross court.
Look forward. Wow, strong attack. Sari is. Nabumbita again. Kaya yung maging adjustment dito ng ating Lady Knights bago magtapos ang ating set number 1.
Coming from Rivero. Ball is still alive. Flores will give it back to Sari, and Sari
jersey number 3, Santanistas will be back on the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. Just 1 point para dito sa ating NCF Tigers to enjoy the set number 1. Now Bumbita to serve.
Setting up Sari. So, broken set para doon kay Sari. That's why nakakuha siya ng violation for hitting the net. The antenna level.
Ano ang gagawin dito ng ating Lady Knights? But that's crucial error mula dito sa ating Lady Knights. And that's it. Nakuha na nga ng NCF Lady Tigers for set number 1, ending it by 25-9. And kaya today, napakaganda natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV.
defending champion, which is the NCF.
Ayan nga, Rick, napakaganda ng performance na pinakita dito ng ating NCF Lady Tigers at para makingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporting na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the second set of this matchup and the Lady Tigers continuously dominating this game against the Lady Knights. According to Coach Porley, malaking tulong sa kanila ang sinalihan nilang league last month, which is the National Ribesco League, na kung saan sila ay umabot ng finals at naging silver medalist, na talaga namang nakahubog sa kanyang mga players to be best in every game. And I've witnessed how the players enjoy this game, and even the rookies are contributing to the success of their team. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, Tin, according to Coach Parley, talagang nakatulong doon yung sinalihan nilang liga bago magsimula ang Bucal Season 5, which is the Ribisco Cup. Kung saan naman talagang na-showcase nila doon ang talent nila at mas lalo nilang napaigting ang connection nila inside the court. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng Ateneo Lady Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Ali. Hi, Ali. Anong update dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second set of the game, and the Lady Knights are trying to gain momentum here. During the huddle, words of encouragement were heard from the coaches as it is clear that today's battle is definitely not a walk in the park. They were reminded to not get intimidated by their opponent, but rather focus on your own potential. Just work and be mindful of your possessions. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
Yan nga, Tin, hawak ko dito ang ating set 1 statistics, kung ano ba ang nangyari doon sa ating set 1. So, on the attacks, talagang abante dito ang NCF Lady Tigers, 14 kontra 3. At sa ating service aces, nakita nga natin na kargado talaga ang service ng ating Lady Tigers. That's why they produce 5 service aces compared sa isa ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And syempre dito sa opponent error, mas madaming na-commit dito ang ating Golden Knights. So let's see dito sa ating pangalawang set kung mag-i-improve ba at magkakaroon ba ng magandang rotation and communication inside the court para dito sa ating Lady Knights. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. So miscommunication on the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. So again, unforced error na dapat hindi nila ito nako-commit. Because nakikita nga natin ulit dito, 3 straight points na ang nagagawa ng ating Lady Tigers. Another error was committed by San Felices on the side of the Lady Knights. 4-0 sa ating talaan.
Now, sa pagpasok ng ating set number 2, medyo hindi pa nakakapa itong ating Ateneo Lady Knights, but on the side of the Lady Tigers, ganda-ganda simula nila dito. Now, ball is still alive here. Another of Petrayas on the court. You add a fuel. Add a fuel here for the NCF Tigers.
So this is the second 6 of the Lady Tigers. But still, all goes well para dito sa ating Lady Tigers. 6-0. Talagang early part of the set pa lang, nagpapakitang gilas na dito ang ating defending champion.
Yes. This also happens dun sa ating set number 1 kung saan na napadami ng points itong ating NCF Lady Tigers. But let's see with the adjustment of the Lady Knights.
Free ball para dito sa Lady Tigers. Zamudio setting up Servidad in the middle at makakakuha ng puntos.
Now, the NCF Lady Tigers still on the lead at wala pang puntos ang nagagawa ang ADNU Lady Knights for our second set, which also happens to our set number 1. Zamudio again.
Again, talagang hindi dito napapaganda ang floor defense ng ating ADNU Lady Knights. That's why palagi silang nagbibigay ng free ball sa kanilang opponents.
Now, ang kailangan lang iwasan dito ng ating NCF Lady Tigers is the error because of that error coming from jersey number 12, Santos. Nakakuha na ng puntos ang ating Lady Knights.
Zamudio in the middle at pinabawi nga dito si Santos.
Nawid niya yung error niya kanina. Now, all players are really playing well. Now, she is on the line to serve the ball here.
Now, Fortaleza setting up her teammates. Ball is back in Ateneo. Now, NCF chance. Nice dig coming from jersey number 11 of the Lady Knights. Now, Tigers. Makakakuha nga ng puntos coming from K. Abitria.
So with that last sequence, kung ito lang talaga yung pinapakita ng ating Neo Lady Knights, I think they have the potential to make it more points here. Now Santos to serve. 9 serving 1 here. That's an ace coming from her. Against the Lady Tigers. Still on the game here. Wow, the Lady Tigers, nakukulangan pa tayo dito sa floor defense nila. Santos again. Straight through the net para dito kay jersey number 9, Virgilio. Adding a point for the NCF Lady Tigers. Communication as well as defense sa pula dito side ng ating Ateneo. Now Santos again. This time, an error was committed, so a bonus point will be given to the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. Now Renton to serve.
Zamudio setting up Abitria. Pero buhay pa ang bola para dito sa ating Ateneo para bumalik sa NCF. One more time for Abitria. And Abitria makakakuha ulit ng puntos coming from that cross-court hit. Grabe ang pinapakita dito ni Abitria. Talagang whenever the setter sets the ball, pinapatay niya ito agad.
Dahil nga dyan, 10 na po ang kalamangan ng NCF Lady Tigers here. The Lady Knights are still struggling to get a point.
Free ball ang ibibigay dito para sa Lady Tigers. Zamudio ibibigay dito on the opposite side. Jersey number 17, Antang.
With the new player on the court for the side of the NCF or the Ateneo Lady Knights, ano kaya yung gagawin niya dito? Jersey number 17, Sese. Now, Abetria to serve. An error again. Again, Abetria.
Fortaleza setting up her teammate. Nakuha doon ng Tigers. Servidad. And a point coming from Servidad. Again, grabe talaga dito ang attacks ng ating Lady Tigers. Talagang porsyento kung porsyento.
Now, 14 serving 2. 2 puntos pa lang nagagawa dito ng ating Lady Knights. Now, that's an ace coming from Abitria. Ilang aces na ba ang nagawa dito ng ating Lady Tigers? Now, Abitria again. But this time, it's an error. So, magbibigyan ng libre puntos para sa Ateneo Lady Knights. I hope this would be their wake-up call para naman magbigay ng aksyon sa loob ng court. And of course, to strengthen their defense here. Jersey number 14, Masalunga, to serve. It's an outside. 9 points away. Ang ating NCF Lady Tigers to snatch that set number 2. Now, Servidad. 9 points away. Now, another point for the NCF Lady Tigers. They're really playing well here sa ating laban kontra Ateneo Lady Knights. Now, Servidad.
Free ball ang bibigay dito sa Lady Tigers. So the point will awarded on the side of the Lady Knights. Lifting violation para dito kay Belleza.
Now, the Knights have the opportunity here to gain a point. Medyo nakukulangan pa tayo sa performance na pinapakita nila simula doon sa ating set number 1. Fortaleza. Too strong for that one. That's an outside. At this point, yung naibibigay nila dito sa ating NCF Lady Tigers with their errors here.
The Ateneo Lady Knights, talagang kailangan nila ditong bawasan ang kanilang unforced error kasi lamang na dito ang Lady Knights. Ang Lady Tigers rather. Sa that last sequence nga, bantay sarado dito si D.
Now, Servidad or Belleza to serve here. 4 serving 19, just 6 points away. Too short. Straight through the net para kay Pete ng Ateneo Lady Knights. Mukhang nahihirapan sila dito sa opensa at depensa. So as the communication between the players, while the NCF Tigers is enjoying the gap against the Lady Knights, pero an unforced error was committed by Belleza there. 20 serving 5. Now jersey number 17, Sese, to serve here. And that's it. Nakuha naman ang punto sa ating Ateneo Lady Knights dito para madagdagan. 6 points na ngayon ang ating Ateneo Lady Knights. Sese. Two points straight para dito sa ating Ateneo Lady Knights. We need that confidence on their side here today. (20 serving 7). Sese.
Free ball ang ibibigay dito ng Lady Tigers. Fortaleza sa ating per teammate. Ball is still alive. Free ball ulit para dito sa Golden Knights. Pero nakakuha pa nga ng puntos doon ang Lady Tigers.
Napapadami na nga yung error na nagagawa dito ng ating Lady Knights, which they need to remedy that. This one, and a service error on the side of the Lady Tigers. It's still a good performance for the side of the ADNU or the NCF Lady Tigers. Now Fortaleza. Serve.
Abitria makakabawi on that last attack. So again, 3 points away na naman ulit dito ang ating Lady Tigers.
Now the Ateneo Lady Knights, kailangan pa nilang tagtagan ng lakas doon sa kanilang mga atake.
And a great block coming from Santos.
2 points away para dito sa ating NCF Tigers to again get the set number 2 here against the Lady Knights. Now Zamudio. Another unforced error for the side of the NCF Tigers. The errors committed by the side of the Tigers, they're giving points away para dito sa ating Lady Knights. Jersey number 11, T. Zamudio sets up para dito kay Servidad. Fortaleza, free ball ang bibigay dito. Servidad again for the soft touch. Point will go on the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. Set point again. Will they end this? Dahil nga doon sa ating set number 1, nagtapos ng 25-9. Ganun din ba ang mangyayari sa ating set number 2? Santos. That's it. Again, NCF Tigers did it all again. They got the set number 2 here, ending it with 25-9. Abangan po natin ang ating set number 3 only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
And we are back again here at Oragon Sports TV for our third set. Again, nakuha ng NCF Tigers ang ating pangalawang set, ending it with 25-9. And now, dun sa ating statistics dito, 11 attacks ang nagawa dito ng ating NCF Lady Tigers. 3 service aces as well as 3 blocks. And for the other side, the ADNU Lady Knights, medyo nahihirapan sila dito sa pinapakita nila. Now, back to the ball game tayo. Nagbabalik ang ating first 6 inside the court. At para makingi tayo kung ano nga ba ang magiging adjustment dito ng ADNU Lady Knights.
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the third set of the game, and the Lady Knights are eager to extend this game and showcase a better plays and hustle inside the hard court. During the huddle, the girls were reminded to go back to the basic and execute what they have learned during trainings. As per said by their head coach, every game is a learning opportunity, so make sure you learn from every errors and make up for it. Relax and just enjoy the rest of the game. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much for that update, Ali. So yun nga, nasa third set na tayo and still, abante pa rin dito ang ating Lady Tigers. Kailangan dito talagang ipakita na ng ating Lady Knights kung ano ba talaga ang kaya nila inside the court. Sabi nga kanina, huwag mag-focus sa kalaban, kundi mag-focus sa own potential nila para magkaroon ng magandang score dito. So yun nga, 3-0 na sa ating talaan. At abante pa rin dito ang ating NCF Tigers. And let's see kung ano ba ang magiging performance dito ng Lady Knights. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng Lady Tigers, let's call our inside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third set of this matchup. During the second set, Coach Porley gave an opportunity for his second six to contribute to their team. Malaki nga ang naging lamang ng Lady Tigers sa set 2 at nasungkit pa rin nila ito sa score na 25-9. Kitang-kita nga natin na fighting spirit ang nangingibabaw sa Lady Tigers ngayon. We can see how eager the Lady Tigers na paabutin lang ng third set ang matchup na ito against the Lady Knights. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. With the performance na pinapakita ngayon ng ating NCF Lady Tigers, I think we can just get to a set number 3. And dito nga sa ating set number 3, mas malakas yung mga attacking ginagawa nila. Now, more serving back on our scoreboard. Good start for both teams here. Now, jersey number 11B on the side of the Lady Knights to serve.
Now, score from Abitria coming from that quick hit. So, 5-2 sa ating scoreboard. And still, on the lead pa rin dito ang ating NCF Lady Tigers.
Now, Sari to serve here. 5 serving 2. Serve.
Ball is still alive. Flores setting up Brago in the middle, pero andon ang player ng Golden Knights. One more time for the NCF. Bombita makakakuha ng butas doon sa side ng ating Lady Knights.
Now the NCF Tigers is really determined to end this set with a bang. Talagang pinapakita nila yung best nila ngayon sa third set. Now Sari again to serve. Wow, that's an ace. Adding it to score on the NCF Tigers. Now the Lady Knights, sa pangatlong set na to, ano kayang gagawin nila? Para maitaas pa ang puntos na nagagawa nila. Another point for the NCF Tigers. Hindi talaga sila ngayong araw na to. Ano kayang gagawin ng NCF para mas mapabilis pa itong pagkuha nila ng puntos? Sari. Again, a service ace. Sa performance na pinapakita nila dito, kaya naman napatawag na ng timeout dito si Coach Rivera. And ano kaya yung magiging adjustment nila para maputol yung sunod-sunod na puntos ng NCF Lady Tigers dito sa ating set number 3.
Yan talaga ang ganda nga pinapakita ditong performance ng Lady Tigers. How I love about the Lady Tigers is that they are very consistent when it comes to their play. That's why talagang nagsha-shine sila inside the court. The communication is there because sabi nga kanina ni Coach, marami silang ligang sinalihan. Kaya ang communication nila inside the court is napapaganda at mas lalong napapatid.
Which is kulang ngayon on the side of the ADNU Lady Knights. Yun yung dapat. Now, then serving two here. Sari again. Another soft touch coming from Bombita. Pa rin nagkakaroon ng communication sa court ng ating ADNU Lady Knights. What will be their improvement now? Na halfway na lamang tayo dito sa ating set number 3.
Now again, Sari. Matagal na siya dito sa ating service line na talaga namang very consistent when it comes to her serve. Talagang nahihirapan dito ang floor defense ng ating Lady Knights. Free ball dito ang ibibigay.
Bombita again with a powerful attack now. Naibako nga sa puntos na dalawa sa side ng ating ADNU Lady Knights. And the NCF Lady Tigers still dominating this third set. Now, Sari. Ng ADNU Lady Knights, and of course I think he's disappointed with the performance of the Lady Knights now. Kanina pa sila nga napapako dito sa 2 puntos. While on the other side, the NCF Lady Tigers still getting a hand for our set number 3. Napakaganda pa rin ng mga atake ibinibigay nila dito, which is nakukulangan tayo sa performance ng Ateneo Lady Knights. Now, just few remaining points. What will be the adjustment of the Lady Knights here to add a point dito sa ating set number 3? Sari now, we're back on the ball game. Powerful serve. Dribble ngayon, pero a miscommunication again on the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. Performance coming from the Lady Tigers. Now again, for how many times she's still serving here, Vanessa Sari of the NCF Tigers.
Free ball ulit dito ang ibibigay ng Gold Lady Knights. Now Flores setting up Brago. Nice dig coming from jersey number 11, D. Another free ball. Now Bumbita. Down the line, it was good para dito kay Bumbita. So nakikita natin dito team na talagang hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang play ang ating Lady Knights because of the poor reception coming from their first ball. Kaya naman nahihirapan dito ang setter. Itaas ang bola at ibigay sa kanyang mga spikers.
Well, on the other hand, the NCF Tigers, lahat ng players talaga gumagalaw. They have their own purpose here today. Wow. Naputol na nga yung sunod-sunod na putos ng NCF Tigers with that block coming from the Lady Knights. Now 15 serving 3. With that block, sana mabigyan na ng confidence and communication dito sa side ng Ateneo Lady Knights daw.
Now Flores, pababawiin dito si Brago. Pero again, nakuha ito ng Lady Knights. Free ball ulit. Sari receive the ball. Flores, combination play to Bumbita. And Bumbita, the small but terrible player of the NCF Tigers.
Now Zamudio and Servidad will be back on the court. Brago will be out as well as Flores. Now 16 serving 3. 9 point away here for our set number 3. Zamudio to serve here.
Zamudio in the middle and Blessed delivers. Again, ang ganda ng nagiging laro ngayon ng ating Lady Tigers. Great first ball, great set, and great attack coming from their team. Talaga namang nahihirapan na ditong makabawi ang ating Lady Knights. Pero let's see kung ano bang gagawin nila para dito sa remaining points. Pero yun nga, their unforced error na kailangan nilang iwasan dito.
Now Zamudio still on the serving line. You can still see na nahihirapan dito ang ating Ateneo Lady Knights to get a point. Free ball bibigay dito.
Zamudio. Nabasa ito ng Golden Knight, Lady Knights rather. So points will automatically go on the side of the Lady Knights because of that net violation.
Konti na lang dito sa ating NCF Lady Tigers and they will get the set number 3 and win this game against the ADNU Lady Knights.
Servidad, straight to the net attack. Back-to-back error dito para sa ating Lady Tigers.
Now the errors for the side of the NCF Tigers needs to stop kung gusto na lang makuha itong set na ito. Ateneo. Pitria again with that powerful attack. 19 serving 5. They are really dominating this game.
Another free ball para sa NCF Tigers. Na yun ang kailangang iwasan ng Lady Knights because if you give free ball to your opponent, lalo na sa ganito team, the Lady Tigers, talagang magkakaroon ito ng puntos. Kaya mag-shoutout tayo din sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Ana Villarama, Coach Brian Ayo, Sir Rolly Villadares, and Sir Al Noel Asis. Happy viewing po.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta ngayong hapon na ito. This is the last game for today. And NCF Tigers is really heated for this game. Now a Petriak. That could serve. A free ball.
So nobody's home para doon sa last sequence na yon. That's why Bumbita makakakuha ng dalawang magkasunod na puntos para dito sa ating Lady Tigers.
Again, a point to the NCF Lady Tigers. Dalawa na lamang dito. 23 serving 5. Lady Tigers just needed 2 more points to get the win, or their first win for our Bucal Season 5. And the Ateneo Lady Knights, on the other hand, still locking with communication as well as defense. Patria. Another good serve. Now free ball dito. Zamudio sets up for Servidad with that powerful attack, making it a match point for the side of the NCF Tigers. Just 1 more point, they will get their first.
Grabe naman ang combination play na yon on that last play, and Servidad talagang ang gandang palo. Now match point na dito ang NCF Lady Tigers. And with that service ace coming from Lesia Vitria, makukuha nila ang larong ito. 25-5 sa ating third set. Grabe, a sweep coming from our defending champion. Magbabalik po kami para makilala kung sino ang ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Best Player of the Game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation. Leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw for this game at tinapos nila ng 3 set ang laban na ito against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And our best player of the game is jersey number 23 with 11 points and 11 attacks. Here with me is the best player of the game, Miss Ray Marie Bombita. Hello Ray Marie, grabe naman. How does it feel na nakuha nyo ang inyong unang panalo for this season?
Masaya po and nakaka-excite po dahil maganda po yung binigay naming play po ngayong araw.
At dahil nakita ko kung gaano mo ginalingan for this game, ano ba yung naging personal preparation mo?
Ako po, siguro beside po sa training, nag-extra po kaya ako every bago po mag-training, nag-extra po ako walling or ganun po. Tapos, training lang po talaga everyday. Every afternoon, tapos every evening po.
And in terms of mindset, ano ba yung mindset na nakakatulong sa'yo everyday?
Go with the flow lang po talaga ako. Wala po akong ibang mindset, kundi go with the flow lang po. Ano man po yung mangyari, it is what it is po.
Grabe, congratulations. At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Binabati ko po yung family ko doon sa Albay po, si mama, papa, and si ate ko po sa Manila, and si Manoy, and si mga friends ko po doon.
Thank you so much, Ray Marie, and congratulations. There you have it, our best player of the game, jersey number 23, Miss Ray Marie Bombita. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulia. Balik sa inyo, Recantin.
That's our best player of the game from the NCF Lady Tigers, Reynalyn Bombita. Again, napakagandang performance lang ipinakita nila dito. Congratulations to whole NCF community.
Talagang pinakitaan tayo ngayon ng masiksik na volleyball action ngayong hapon ito sa ating Bucal Season 5. So marami pa tayong aabangan mga kapamilya. Dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan pa po ang mga aksyong bakbakan next week only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.